Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn chapter 13, present perfect tense. In the previous classes, we had already discussed what is simple present and present continuous tense. Today we have to learn present perfect tense. Let us see what is present perfect tense and how is it different from the other two. The present perfect tense refers to an action or an event in the past that is connected to the present. When we talk about present perfect tense, the action has already taken place in the past, but it is linked with the present. There are two keywords that we use in present perfect tense, that is has or have. It is formed using has or have along with the past participle form of the verb. So you should know what are the verb 1, verb 2 and verb 3. Verb 1 present, verb 2 past, verb 3 past participle form of the verb. Now I will show you some examples which includes three forms of the verbs. The first one is eat, ate, eaten, sing, sang, sung, make, made, made, write, wrote, written. In order to form the present perfect tense, we need to know past participle form of the verb. We can see the third form eaten, sung, made, written. Is it okay, children? Now, let us look at some examples in sentences so that your concept will be clear. The first one is, she has read this book. She is the singular subject. So, which is the verb we will use? Has. And the verb 3, read. Verb 1, read, read, read. Certain words have the same spelling in all three forms. One of them is read. Now, let us look at the other example. Mary has found her pen. Here, what is the subject? Mary. Mary is singular, so we use the auxiliary verb has. And verb 3 of find, found. So, which are the three forms of find? Find, found, found. So the sentence in present perfect tense, we need to write Mary has found her pen. Now let us look at the example with a plural subject. Tom and John have always participated in the race. Here Tom and John is the plural subject and we have used have, that is the auxiliary verb, and the verb 3, that is participated. Verb 1 is participate, participated and participated. There are some points to be remembered. Adverbs like already and just are used with the present perfect tense. For example, they have just met the teacher. The train has already left the platform. And words like for and since are also used in present perfect tense. Examples, I have waited for an hour. They have lived here since 2015. Is it clear, children? Now, let's begin with the exercise. That is, first one, complete the sentences in present perfect tense. The first one is, Usha dash her homework. Usha has finished her homework. Here the subject is singular, so the auxiliary verb is has and the third form of finish is finished. The second one, the tigers dash hunt the huge deer. So here the tigers, word tigers are plural subject and plus have plus third form of the verb. So which is the third form of the verb hunt? That is hunted. The tigers have hunted the huge deer. In this way, you can do the other exercise in your page 51A. Now, we will begin with the other exercise, that is, complete the sentences in present perfect by using the given words. Here, you can see that sentences are given in a jumbled format. First, you will find out the subject, then the verb. First question, Ritu, a new hat, where? So, which is the subject? The subject is Ritu, verb is where. So, you have to write the answer, Ritu has worn a new hat. In the second sentence, grandfather, his spectacles loose. So, the subject is grandfather, verb is lose. How to write in present perfect tense? Grandfather has lost his spectacles. And the third one, they, the play, watch. The subject is they and the verb is watch. So we have to write it in present perfect. They have watched the play. Similarly, following this pattern, you shall solve all the questions. I will be sending you correct answers along with the video. Okay, children? I hope you have understood it clearly. Thank you so much. Thank you, children.